How to connect to a server in Hytale. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your web browser and open this web page, which is hytaleservers.com, and find the server which you want to join. So here are some flags. You can see here the description. On the right you can check the players and then simply copy this IP address of that server. Now go to your Hytale, go to servers, in right down corner area click on add server and paste here that address. You can name it like you want and click add server and it's here. Now double click it and you will connect that server after a few seconds. So this is the server, you can check the map, this is the spawn, and here are some lists of commands and you can play. If you want to check players, click on M like map, and on the left is the list of players online. So leave a comment of your favorite server and see you next time.